Every carpenter will have different health safety requirements depending on the job. Some work might require full PPE, while other jobs might not need any. Safety glasses are usually a minimum for carpenters, especially when using power tools. But you also need to think about ergonomics. The best tool for your type of work might not be the best for everybody. If you're using certain tools all day every day, make sure they're comfortable to use and don't put unnecessary strain on your hands, wrists, and arms. Your future self will thank you for it when you're still able to work as a carpenter in the years ahead. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best carpentry tools from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Chisel. Possessing a set of top-notch bevel edge bench chisels proves invaluable over the years, serving diverse projects adeptly. While their designs may vary, fundamentally chisels consist of blades affixed to handles. Regardless of their price tags, all chisels necessitate sharpening for clean and safe cutting. These tools come into play post-sawing for meticulous joinery work, meticulously paring along desired lines akin to peeling an apple. Commencing woodworking with a set of 5 to 7 bench chisels suffices, and there's no need for them to match. As one gains woodworking experience, branching out to specialty chisels like paring and fishtail becomes enticing, yet bench chisels fulfill requirements for the present. Number 2. Screwdriver. Screwdrivers stand as indispensable tools in the woodworker's arsenal, provided they're crafted from high-grade materials to ensure optimal performance. Regrettably, many wrenches feature soft metal construction, rendering them prone to stripping and largely ineffective. For the task at hand, a lengthy screwdriver sporting a square blade capable of exerting significant force is indispensable. Additionally, small and medium slot screwdrivers are requisite. A cabinet screwdriver, characterized by a slender shank, facilitates maneuvering in cramped spaces, and accessing screws nestled deep within holes a boon for woodworking undertakings. Number 3. Claw hammer. To achieve a refined finish, opt for a well-rounded, balanced head coupled with a claw on one side. While the waffle head nail is commonplace in construction, it leaves conspicuous imprints on wood, unsuitable for woodworking. A 20 Oz. Claw hammer proves popular due to its balance between heft for driving nails and maneuverability for extraction. If your hammering tasks lean towards the strenuous, eschew wooden handles in favor of steel or fiberglass counterparts. Opting for hickory handles mitigates vibrations from nail driving, while metal or fiberglass handles featuring rubberized grips ensure comfortable and controlled handling. Should you anticipate significant nail hammering, a wooden handled hammer alleviates strain on your hand and wrist. Number 4. Coping saw. Ideal for novices, a coping handsaw emerges as a budget-friendly option, typically priced under $20. This saw excels in shaping dovetail joints and executing swift, rough cuts in boards. Featuring sharp blades and a handle offering a comfortable grip, it facilitates precise cuts despite a somewhat leisurely cutting pace, ideal for detail-oriented tasks. Resistant to buckling under tension, the handsaw guarantees safe usage without jeopardizing your project. Its tall frame and thin blade render the coping saw ideal for cutting curves, with the added advantage of an affordable pack of replaceable blades. By incorporating a coping handsaw into your toolkit, you effortlessly trim away waste produced during chiseling. Number 5. Carpenter pencil. An indispensable companion for any woodworker, a quality pencil capable of rendering fine lines without breakage is paramount. The Carpenter pencil distinguishes itself with thicker lead compared to standard pencils, enhancing line visibility during marking. Its flat shape enables it to rest flush on wood surfaces, serving as a reliable guide for cuts. The robust lead allows for the creation of both wide and narrow lines as per the task requirements. Investing in a high-quality Carpenter pencil pays dividends in terms of time saved and frustration avoided. Particularly for projects necessitating precise measurements, opting for a Carpenter pencil proves indispensable. Number 6. Tape measure. A tape measure constitutes an indispensable tool for every woodworker, emphasizing the necessity for accuracy and legibility in its quality. A crucial consideration when selecting a tape measure is its length, with standard options spanning 25 feet and 100. Opting for a tape measure of at least 50 proves prudent for those working with longer boards. Additionally, the width of the blade merits attention, as wider blades enhance measurement readability. Ensuring a robust locking mechanism is imperative to prevent accidental retractions during usage. Lastly, the inclusion of a case or holster serves to safeguard the blade from damage, ensuring longevity and reliability. Number 7. Chalk line. The chalk line, known interchangeably as a chalk reel or chalk box, boasts simplicity coupled with exceptional efficacy. Comprising a box housing a string coated with chalk powder, it facilitates the marking of lines on various surfaces such as walls or floors. By affixing a metal hook to one end of the string, it can be pulled taut across the surface, ensuring an even spread of chalk. Subsequently, releasing the tension causes the string to snap back, leaving a distinct chalk line, a process commonly referred to as snapping the line. Number 8. Circular saw. Arguably the primary power tool in a carpenter's repertoire, the circular saw stands as an indispensable asset, despite debates among purists advocating for hand saws. With a plethora of models and brands available across a wide price range, the circular saw offers versatility, adept at executing tasks ranging from straight cuts to notching and ripping wood. Number 9. Spirit level. Formerly the domain of carpenters and builders, the spirit level has found ubiquitous utility, even among laypersons hanging paintings at home. This tool aids in discerning the straightness or verticality of a line, with horizontal levels, also known as bubble levels, indicating alignment by positioning the air bubble between designated lines. Various tools cater to measuring level lines, each adhering to slightly different standards. Number 9. Spirit level. A spirit level is an old tool, once used only by carpenters and builders, which helps determine whether a line is straight or upright. Nowadays, even people hanging paintings at home use them. Horizontal levels are also called bubble levels because, when lined up, you want the small air bubble in the center of the level to be between two lines. This will give you a fairly good estimate of your line level. There are also different tools for measuring level lines, which may use slightly different standards. Number 10. Sliding T-bevel. A sliding T-bevel, alternatively termed a set square or angle finder, emerges as an indispensable companion for construction tasks involving angle measurement or creation. Particularly invaluable when 90-degree angles prove unattainable, the sliding T-bevel facilitates adjustment to accommodate less than perfect angle measurements. By positioning the blade against the measured surface and utilizing the handle to draw a line, users can subsequently ascertain the angle created by the line with the aid of a protractor. Number 11. Utility knife. Renowned for its versatility in trimming materials ranging from thin wood to drywall, the utility knife is a staple in any toolkit. Despite its utility, the inconvenience of opening and closing a folding utility knife typically requires both hands. However, innovations such as Milwaukee's Fastpack folding utility knife mitigate this challenge, enabling blade activation up to 3 times faster than traditional models. Further enhancing usability, its side-mounted button facilitates effortless one-handed operation. Number 12. Combination square. A multifaceted tool, the combination square's primary function involves verifying 90-degree angles, while also capable of measuring 45-degree angles, locating the center of circular objects, and determining depth and distance. Additionally, its spirit level violates in assessing levelness or plumbness, comprising various components including the blade, head level, and scriber. The combination square offers versatility and precision across a spectrum of applications. Number 13. Steel square. Recognized as the carpenter's or framing square, the steel square serves to measure boards, validate corner angles, and set slopes at different inclinations. Featuring 2 flat blades at right angles to each other, each edge boasts measuring scales for enhanced accuracy. Distinguished by its blade and tongue, this tool's precision proves particularly advantageous for large-scale projects, while its edges double as rulers for marking measurements. Number 13. Steel square. The steel square, called the carpenter's or framing square, is used to measure boards and check corners for purity of angle. It can also be used to set the slope of boards and tools at different angles. This steel device has two flat blades at right angles to each other and measuring scales along every edge. The steel square's long side is called the blade or body, while the short side is referred to as the tongue. The biggest benefit that this tool offers carpenters is that it's more accurate than a tri-square when working on large projects. The tool's edges can also be used as a ruler to mark measurements. Number 14. Tin snips. Tin snips, also known as guillotine shears, excel in cutting sheet metal and plates with precision, leaving clean edges without compromising safety. Notably, the RS Pro 250 MS straight tin snips for cold rolled steel, stainless steel offer exceptional performance, characterized by a high leverage design for effortless straight cuts. Featuring ergonomic, soft grip handles, these aviation snips prioritize user comfort, ensuring a smooth finish with each cut. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.